There's a map of the different trails. The wind is beginning to pick up, and yeah, it's quite windy today. Lots of people. Family day long weekend. Here in Snow Valley today, Family Day Long Weekend 2022. Minus 15 degrees with the snow blowing. That's about 5 Fahrenheit. Beautiful. Okay, we're on the Wonderland Express. Slightly longer conveyor belt. A little bit more challenging terrain for you to practice out your techniques. Slightly longer beginner hill. Up of the Winter One Express, there's another magic carpet that goes up even higher. Looks like number 5, station number 5 there. So yeah, another, I guess it gets you to higher and higher level with the magic carpets. It's great. Lots of choices for beginners. That's great here at Snow Valley. So we're at station 4. It's good to practice some of your techniques down here. The wind has really picked up. Lots of snow now, blowing in our face. It's like skiing in whiteout conditions. It's lots of snow right in our face. Hard to see anything. Minus 15 Celsius, 5 degrees Fahrenheit, with blowing wind. Woo. Snow Valley, can't even see much. Okay, this is the another magic carpet going up to station number 5. This one's a little steeper in terms of gradient. Located next to the quad chair lift. So this one's more interesting. Going up the Polar Express. Magic carpet with steeper gradient. And on the left side you could see the quad chairs lifting up. So you can see station 4 on the right side, and then station 3 in the left side. Station 4 is a little steeper, station 3 less challenging, station 5 is a little bit more interesting. Okay, here's a look at the kids skiing area. for younger children, maybe 5, 6, 7 years old. Lots of wind today. Here's the fire pit in front of the dining area. You can order takeout or dine in here, or sit in front of the toasty fireplace. Here's the inside of the dining area. Nice and toasty and warm inside. I'm gonna get some refreshment here.